I am Ron Romasco, Bumindanya, your Ginoong Santolan 2025 winner.
Congratulations
Thank you so
for
much.
winning Ginoong Santolan 2025.
Thank you so much po.
Yeah, perfect 10. Ikaw 10. Ikaw ang nanalo. Lucky 10 talaga siya. Is that your number?
Yes po, number 10 po.
Wow. Kanina, medyo mabakbakan ng labanan dito ng mga candidates kasi yung mga special award na hati-hati sa iyo. But you got a lot of special awards. So, medyo naiba na sa advocacy at ang question and answer. So, what made you really win?
I really think I don't know because some of us has its own uniqueness and abilities to share to the viewers dito po sa Ginoong Santolan. I think what made me separate from other candidates po is my authenticity. Sa pagiging totoo ko po sa sarili ko na and anything that could happen into my life, as long as I am positive, I am true to myself, maabot ko lahat ng pangarap ko.
And throughout the pageant, during yung mga activities dito, even the preliminary until the coronation night, parang kalmado ka lang. Parang you take it so slowly and surely, but winnable. Ano yan, technique or is that your strategy?
I don't think na technique ko po yun. And then also strategy. Parang sa akin po, hindi ko po iniisip tong competition na to na para kabahan ako. I would just go with the flow po, kung ano pong mamangyari, o kung anong result. Happy po ako kahit anong result. That's all lang.
Now that you are Ginoong Santolan 2025, there are a lot of male pageant, national pageants in the Philippines right now. And are you now willing to go up for the national pageant?
I really think I don't know, but if God permits, if ibibigay niya yun sa akin, if there's a time, baka po pwede ako mag-join for the next
Right timing and right preparation,
Yes.
I guess. Now, after 7 years, ay ikaw natin ang halagin ng Santolan. What's your promise sa mga Santoleños out there?
Isa lang po yung mapapangako ko sa inyo at throughout my advocacy, itong platform po na to, matutulungan ko po yung mga kabataang Santoleño, hindi lang po para sa aking sarili, pat sa buong Santolan.